Good morning, class. I am Lakshman Singh again with you with remaining part of reflection. Let us see another type of questions. Question given: find the image of -5, 8 under reflection in the line x equal to 0. X equal to 0, that means y-axis. So we have to reflect it in x equal to 0, that means y-axis, and as we know, when we reflect in y-axis, sign of x coordinate gets changed. So we have here point -5, 8. The sign of x coordinate will change, means -5 will become +5 and it will remain same. This is reflected in x equal to 0. Now let us see. Find the image of -8, 4 under reflection in line y equal to 0. Line y equal to 0, that means x-axis. We have to reflect -8, 4 in x-axis. So when we reflect in x-axis, then sign of y coordinate gets changed. So here we have -8 and 4. So we get the image -8, -4. +4 will change to -4. Let us have one more question. The point P -6, -3 on reflection in y-axis is mapped on P dash. The point P dash on reflection in the origin is mapped on P double dash. Find the coordinate of P dash. Find the coordinates of P double dash. Write down a single transformation that maps P onto P double dash. So let us see. First we have to find P dash when P is reflected in y-axis. P is given -6, -3. Reflecting in y-axis, it means sign of x coordinate will change. -6 will become +6 and remaining will be same. Remaining will be same. Then here we have to reflect P dash. We have to reflect here P dash in origin. P dash we are reflecting in origin. P dash is +6 -3. P dash is +6 -3 and reflecting in origin. It means both sign will change. So +6 will become -6 and -3 will change to +3. Now we have to find a direct transformation, single transformation. Here we are getting P to P double dash in two transformation. Now if we want directly from P to P double dash, how we will get? So you see, -6 -3 given, we need -6 +3. So we can see that only sign of y coordinate is changing. It means it is reflected in x-axis. So single transformation of P to mapped on P double dash will be in x-axis. If we reflect it in x-axis, then we directly get P double dash. Let us see one graph question. Use a graph paper to answer the following questions. Take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both axes. So first thing we have plot point A 4, 4, B 4, -6 and C 8, 0. The vertices of triangle ABC. AB and C are the vertices of triangle ABC. Reflect triangle ABC on y-axis as A dash, B dash, C dash. Reflection of A is A dash, reflection of B is B dash, and reflection of C is C dash. This we have to reflect in A dash, y-axis. Write down the coordinates of A dash, B dash, C dash. Give a geometrical name. Give a geometrical name for figure A dash, C dash, B dash, BC. Now let's see. So first of all, we have this x-axis, horizontal axis, vertical axis, y-axis, y dash. Then we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the axes. plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 like this. This is positive direction of x-axis. This is negative direction of x-axis. Here we have taken minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like this. Upside is the positive direction of y-axis, so 1, 2, 3 plus, and downside is negative direction of y-axis, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Now first of all we have to plot points A, B, C. Point A, that is 4, 4. So we can see here like this, we go 4 and from here we drop this perpendicular. Here this is 4, we drop perpendicular from here. So we get 4, 4, this point we get 4, 4. Now similarly we have point B, that is 4, minus 6 plus 4 we go like this, then minus 4 we will come down, minus 6 units we will move downward. So here we are getting this point. This is our point B. Then C is 8, 0. 8, 0. Here y coordinate is 0. So point will lie on x-axis. X coordinate is 8. So here we get this point, we get 8, 0, that is C point. Now we have to reflect these points in y-axis. As we know, if we reflect in y-axis, then sign of x coordinate gets changed. A is 4, 4. So it will become, A dash will be minus 4, 4. A dash will be minus 4, 4. So minus 4, x coordinate minus 4 first, then plus 4, that is again up like this. So we get minus 4, 4, that is A dash. Then B coordinates of B are 4, minus 6. Again we are going to reflect it in y-axis. So sign of x coordinate will change, that will become minus 4, minus 6, that is B coordinate. Similarly C coordinate, that will become minus 8, 0, x coordinate sign will change. So we have plotted all these points like this. Now we have to join these all lines like this, like this, like this, and all we will join. So we get, this is a hexagon. It's not a regular hexagon, because we can see here this length is 6 and this length is, we are getting 4. So this cannot be a regular hexagon. It will be only hexagon. Its geometrical name will be hexagon. Let us take one more graph question. Use a graph paper for this question. A 1, 1, B 5, 1, C 4, 2 and D 2, 2 are the vertices of a quadrilateral. Here 4 points are given, they will form a quadrilateral. Then saying name the quadrilateral. So you cannot name it without plotting. Let us see. A, B, C, D are reflected in origin. All points are reflected in origin to get A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. We will get these points respectively. Locate all these points A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash on graph and write their coordinates. Okay. Then R D A dash D collinear. D A dash D dash collinear. We have to tell this thing. Now let us see. Coordinate, first point A 1, 1 reflected in origin, so we get minus 1, minus 1. B coordinates 5, 1, B dash will be minus 5, minus 1. C coordinates 4, 2, so C dash will be minus 4, minus 2, and D is 2, 2, so D dash will be minus 2, minus 2. Now first of all we will plot A, B, C, D. Coordinates of A are 1, 1. So we can see here, this I have plotted 1, 1. This is the point A, 1, 1. B is 5, 1. So x-axis 5 and y-axis 1. So we are getting here point B. Similarly C is 4, 2. This x-axis 4 and y-axis 2. and D is 2 comma 2, again x-axis is 2 and y-axis 2. So we get all the 4 coordinates A, B, C, D, all 4 coordinates we have plotted here. Now we have to reflect these points in origin. We are reflected in origin, we have reflected that A, B, C, D in origin, so we are getting both the sign change. A is 1 comma 1, so we are getting minus 1 comma 1, which we have already written. So we will plot all reflected images. These images we will plot and again form this quadrilateral. You can see same quadrilateral we have formed here. Then we have to write the coordinates of A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. This is the part of our answer. Then saying R, D, A dash, D dash collinear. So we say yes. We can see then if you will do it on original graph sheet, you will get these all 4 points, that is D, A dash, A and D. These all 4 points you will get in a straight line. Then we will say that points D, A dash, D dash are collinear.